phone.
Make you forgive me.
Give her phone.
I don't know what I want to do again.
Give her a phone. Everybody they confess. May he forgive you. Give your husband a phone.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I did hear. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I did hear.
I beg your wife saying that she confessed to you.
No be say he fuck her. He give her belly when he born my last pikin. Carry give me.
Jesus, oh! Now the boy give her belly.
Thank you.
Now your husband friend, I give you belly when you dey your husband house.
Mama, the Pikin, I know we're not sure because I told her that I say the man they sleep with me that time. Now that time I can't get the like what said the Pikin at this way. Oh,
wait. Now everybody you the fucker. How you go to your husband house? You go the fuck? Oh Jesus! So wait. How many times your husband friend fuck you?
Ivano.
2 times. With another body?
Yes.
Now, when you don't finish your messages, you calculate and where?
Oh.
No, I'm not calculating that. I only calculate the messages that time.
Tell her, so the Pikin say resemble the man.
Okay, the Pikin is your husband. Give your husband a phone. Wait, I'll settle now.
Let me talk.
Tell her the truth.
He said the Pikin resemble the man.
Mama, the job. As I can't tell her, I can't look at when he the job. How many years when me and he stay here? If the job, immediately I tell her, I can't look the Pikin way. The job of the man at all. For where I did. The day when I bought the Pikin, I said I don't sign. The Pikin now because I recognize him as the father of the Pikin. Now me sign time. Hello, mommy, you hear me?
Hello,
I don't say this. I'm going to come on as Pikin.
Give me.
Hello, my brother.
You see, when you know, say before me and her enter Europe here, they take her blood, take my blood. When he born this Pikin, government, now they say make me a her consign because they open and tell me say because somebody claim the Pikin because they don't really know say the Pikin not my blood, so make sure she consign say na me get the Pikin. That's so me and her go sign. No, are you hearing me?
Yes.
Now me and her go sign. No. Now pressurize. But they say me I know the kind of person where she be. Now again what I do talk. Now she open her mind, can't tell me. I can't call the boy. The boy say not true. The boy say he said he fuck her for outside. For my own house. Inside my own house again. He can't fuck her again for my house. I want to do this matter. Give her belly, he born Pikin. Government no say no be my blood. Now make government say make she come great. Sign say he won't give me the Pikin.
Wait till me. I want to tell you, my brother. Your wife na from where? Na Asian girl.
The River State.
From River, you say they fuck all your friend.
Tell her.
Hello, Mama. Good morning, ma.
Society well, God bless you.
Society well, amen. Thank you, Mama.
God bless you. You hear what your husband they tell you? Say you they fuck all your friend.
Mama, that one, no be true. Now you want no be all your friend. Let me take Mama and tell her. Let me confess to her. Say, forgive me. I don't beg. I don't know what you want.
How many? Wait now, may you not cry. Wait. How many of your friends you fuck?
Now just one.
Now just one.
Forgive me. I don't beg you, my mother. My mother don't beg now. You know why he here? So he won't kill himself. Make you help me beg and forgive me that devil.
The time when you fuck that in friend, wait, the time when you fuck that in friend, where your husband did that time?
It's their house.
In their house.
Now 5 years ago, that is happening. It is the bottom of the night. I come back confess so that you will forgive.
Give your husband phone.
Not because they happen. Now the beggars, he don't come back on mama. Mama won't die because of this matter.
Give your husband phone.
Make you forgive me.
Give her phone.
I don't know what I want to do again.
Give her a phone. Everybody they confess. May he forgive you. Give your husband phone.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I did hear. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I did hear.
I beg your wife saying that she confessed to you.
No be say he fuck her. He give her belle when he born my last pikin. Carry give me.
Jesus, oh! Now the boy give her belle.
Thank you.
Now your husband friend, I give you belle when you dey your husband house.
Mama, the Pikin, I know, we're not sure because I told her that and say the man they sleep with me that time. Now that time I can't get belle. Like what said the Pikin at this where
Wait. Now everybody you the fuck her. How you go to your husband house? You go the fuck? Oh Jesus! So wait. How many times your husband friend fuck you?
Ivano.
2 times with another body.
Yes.
Now when you don't finish your menses, you calculate and where?
Oh.
No, I'm not calculating that. I know you calculate the menses that time.
Not tell her the Pikin say resign with the man.
Okay, the Pikin is your husband. Give your husband phone. Wait, I'll settle now.
Let me talk.
Tell her the truth.
He said the Pikin resemble the man.
Mama, you know the job. As I can't tell her, I can't look at when he the job. How many years when me and he stay here? Because the job. Immediately I tell her, I can't look the Pikin way. You know the job of the man at all. For where I did. The day when I bought the Pikin, I said I don't sign. The Pikin because I recognize him as the father of the Pikin. Now me sign time. Hello, mommy, you hear me?
Hello,
I don't say this. I'm going to come on as Pikin.
Give me. Hello. I sent to supermarket.
Why you go faint? No faint. No, wait, make advice. No be wait, no faint. The Pikin now you get her. Now who get now you get her because I say now your wife. Therefore you bolo. If you are married, if another man give your wife belle, that Pikin now you get her. Because you are the owner, now you marry her. Now you get her, no even faint again. I don't want me the Pikin know anything concerning this matter. Now your wife confess to you. Not be say you catch her. Forgive her.
I go inside house, so I dey sleep. Now the man come tap her. She stand up for bed. Go passage. Where the man fuck her. Now she tell me.
You there inside bed, the man can't there, the man can't call your wife.
Yes.
You they sleep for inside bed, the man can't call your wife, go palo, go fuck her for palo. You there house.
My mommy, I said they say I no fit bear her.
Forgive her.
I make me fair yesterday for supermarket.
No fair.
Fair yesterday. So we go people come they carry me. They ask me what is the problem? What is the problem? I faint.
No faint. And
my wife with this. My wife.
No faint. Yeah, forgive her.
My wife.
How many children don't give you before? How many children get?
4 children that we get.
4 children.
5 days for Berlin now.
I should have talked to you, so she still get another belly with 4 children.
They get Berlin. Oh, this one they swear. They swear say that me get this one day for Berlin.
You don't do. Forgive her. Yeah, because of your children.
Oh.
Forgive her. This message, you go let many women take wise. That your friend, if it be not be honorary hand, you know, say.
Hello.
Yeah, I said, may you forgive her. Yeah, forgive her. Yeah.
How what they do? Okay, this Pikin, so how what they do? Because na the last Pikin.
What you go happen now?
And she said, you know, I overlike this small Pikin too. The last one, so I overlike her. She know how what they do. As they grow together, as they grow, as they look, the Pikin say, "No, be my blood, my house, inside my house, I did." He can't stand up, go outside, go passage, put her for war, where the man fuck up.
Hiji. Okay, your wife can't put in her for war. The man call the fucker from back.
Thank you, take it. Oh.
Hello, mama.
Hello, my sister, no worry. We go settle one. If like say na evening time na bring this program, you know, we get better people, we go talk, we go encourage your husband. Because we had the matter just day. Na me say I don't day, we go settle the matter. We God of Fiore and the Salt and Water Ministry. They go settle them in the evening, no worry. Your husband not go kill, say make a cut am. Yeah, so make we keep
I know what call for let
now live video me a day. I tell your husband say I day live video. Now live video a day for Facebook, not be for YouTube. People they hear. I tell your husband. I tell him say I day for live video. Say people they hear.
Oh, if I tell me I don't know.
I tell your husband. But you know me now. I go. You know me. What you did there? You know me. Not be new thing. Give your husband phone. Make a beggar.